Hi guys, it's Lengwe. I'm content for everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you so much. If you haven't as yet, please do like, comment and subscribe. What I need you to comment is, what is the funniest meme or funniest thing that you've ever read about Tsonga people or the Tsonga culture in general? Okay, so today we're gonna be reading Tsonga memes that are like from out of this world. Honestly, pop in a box. What? Okay, no. Honestly, I'm a Tsonga girl. This does not make me happy. It doesn't make me excited. Like, oh, I'd be mad. Like, I'd be so upset. Especially because I love pizza. So imagine if you open that box and then it's like, ta-da! 6 slices of what? Pap, I know. So pap ibusha, you all know that. I mean, what is wrong? Like, who ate the pizza again? Okay, no, really. Interviewer, can you speak XItsonga? Me? Yes! Exclamation point. Interviewer, please say something in XItsonga. You know, just prove to us that you actually know the language. Me, out. Really? No, for real though. Like, that's not the first thing that you say. Like, I've taught you like basic Tsonga. Like, just say something with a shikuma leshi ushilavaku. You know, like, just say like wise things, nyana. You know, just try to impress. Honestly, I used to do this. I used to do it a lot. I used to listen to Tsonga music when I was not motivated. So I used to run. I remember a friend of mine was like, "You listen to Tsonga music to work out?" I was like, yeah. She was like, ooh, no. I listen to Tsonga when I don't feel like working out and I'm in my work clothes. And I just, you know, it motivates you. Like, it motivates you. It's the it's the and that's just like, you know what? After that, I'm fit for days. So a tip to y'all, stream those songs as you work out. You never know. You might have some guns, you know, after like maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, I know. My deliveries are about why no my deliveries. I did. What's up with my tolo wala? What is going on? 2000. I never. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Young Scones, ne? Vasconilla and Tsonga sha de lela. I am telling you, like, they just come there and like shlap to you. I need the last one go on. Shlap to you and all those things, and it's just like, oh, then again, I'm now kind. Woin. Another one, bakujolela uza uyimana lekala bobazwa ekereke. Honestly speaking, and in that experience, like feeling like you're so sick and you can't focus, you can't do anything, you can't study, you can't. Next one. Logo bakushamunzuka aishuti temba. Who knew? Security. Ringa cheka dokotela Timbridge. Who knew that? Because yeah, and you know what? Okay, one thing that annoys me about my security at this point, because they feel very important. No offense, ne? Mara someone mada situation nga boy. Shile pe shita shile ni mona la kufamba shingwe na sitho kwendira wabona mara kublante susungana woleti sana. And some people will leave their sleeps on the door. Because it's like, slowly, you need to run. Okay, you know what? I think every black Tsonga mama has said this. I'm telling you. Yo, sorry, like I'm in my Tsonga zone now. So like they had a meeting at home, you know? And we were told each and every one of us, you know what, maybe you want me to die. Maybe I must die so you can be satisfied. That time it's like, how did we get from me not buying bread to you dying? No, I just feel like parents have issues. They have issues. That's one thing I know about Tsonga people and their music. In Australia, we like so much to just complain or nag. That's just us. So if you're looking into dating like a Tsonga lady like myself, you know, I'm dating a petty guy. He knows me. God, baby, you know what? The day that you will know that I loved you, you will know, you'll feel, you'll miss me. And it's just not good. It's not good altogether. Now, I love you guys so much and God loves you very, very much. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.